Este cóctel es de Cuba. Hello and welcome to Intoxicated Masculinity. If it's Wednesday, we have a cocktail video coming at you. Today, we are going to continue Tiki Month in July with Smuggler's Cove, a book we've talked about many times in the past, and the Hotel Nacional special. It is a cocktail from the Hotel Nacional in Cuba. This cocktail was invented sometime in the 30s. It first appears in the Gentleman's Companion in 1939. It is just another fun, interesting tiki cocktail from the country that gave us a whole bunch of fun tiki cocktails. And I think this is going to be a good one. So let's stop talking about history and start talking about drinking. We have ourselves some ingredients. This is actually going to start off with some pineapple chunks. This asks for 3 to 4. So I'm going to toss in 5 and then 1 frost. So the next thing we're going to toss in is 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. And then 1/2 ounce of a Demerara simple syrup. So this is going to be a relatively sweet cocktail. Remember, Demerara is going to be a 2-to-1 mix, so it's going to be quite sweet. Now, before we add our other ingredients, it instructs us to muddle our pineapple in with our lime juice and our syrup. As always, muddling, you're not trying to obliterate everything, you're just pressing down, giving a good solid pressure down, and that's all you have to do. And that gives us our final 2 ingredients. So this is Mariel, I'm not sure. We have some family in Austria, and they brought us back this very nice apricot liqueur that I've been kind of waiting for a good excuse to use, and this seemed like the best time as any, so thank you to them. And this is why we don't open bottles on camera. And we're going to toss in just a 1/2 ounce of apricot liqueur. And as with many tiki cocktails, rum is going to be our primary ingredient, and we're going to be using Appleton Estate's Signature. And we're going to toss in 1.5 ounces. Alright, now that we got all our ingredients in here, we're going to toss some ice in our shaker and shake this thing up. So we're going to toss that in with our ice, give it a good pound, and give it a good shake. Alright. We're going to go ahead and double strain that into a chilled coupe glass. Double straining for this is going to be really important because there is a ton of pineapple chunks in here. And as always with stuff like this, don't be afraid to tap your fine mesh strainer, make sure that all comes through. And this actually does not call for a garnish, so there you have your Hotel Nacional special cocktail. Let's give it a try. That's really good. It's very bright. It's a lot of pineapple, obviously. The pineapple also gives it a little bit of thickness. It's got maybe just a little bit of creaminess to it. So the apricot is there. The apricot isn't particularly strong, again, it's only 1/2 ounce. The apricot is sort of around the outsides of the cocktail. It's sort of mixing with your citrus. The rum is pretty understated. We're only using 1.5 ounces. And this isn't a super high proof rum either, so. But that's actually pretty lovely. It's just very, very, very summery, very bright. It's tart, but not incredibly tart. Like this isn't going to be like too sour or anything. Very, very well balanced. Again, the apricot liqueur isn't doing a ton here because there isn't a ton of it in there. But what you're getting is very good, and it sort of melds well with the citrus in the cocktail. Yeah, I like that quite a bit. That's very, very good. And on that bombshell, I want to thank everybody for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good drink, and have a good day. our.
No.
There's your stinger.